Hello everyone, welcome back to CodeEasy AI. In today's video, I will show you how to create a clean and professional navbar using ChatGPT. Super easy and beginner friendly. So let's jump right in. So let us begin with creating a HTML file. I'll give the name as index.html. So next, let us create a CSS file as well, and I'll give the name as style.css. So this is my index.html file and this is my style.css. So in our index.html, let me just create a boilerplate of the HTML. So this is how you create a boilerplate of the HTML, and let me just link my CSS file to the HTML. If you type link, you will get a link :CSS. Just click on it and boom, the style.css is created. So let me just change the name of the title. Let me just give the name as NAVBAR. So our index.html is created. So here, next, let me just open my Google Chrome, and here let me just open ChatGPT. Here let me just give the prompt for my navbar. So this is my prompt for my navbar. Let me just see what will our ChatGPT will create for us. So this is the index.html file and this is my CSS file. So let me just copy my index.html file from body part. So let me just copy this code. Okay, so here let me just paste the code. So here we have a logo which is CodeEasy AI. Let me just, this is my channel name. I have kept the logo name as channel name. You can add an image or you can give the name. Okay, so let me just show you the output of index.html file. So this is our index.html without CSS. So this is my logo part here, and we have home, about, services, contact, and we have a search bar here. You can search here, and also we have a button. So this is an empty HTML file. Let us style it with our CSS file, our CSS from our ChatGPT. So let me just copy the code and paste it in my HTML file, CSS file. So I have pasted my CSS file. So let us see the output in CSS. So boom, our professional and stylish navbar is created. This is our logo part here. You can also add your own image, and we have a home, about, services, and contact with an hover effect. As you can see, the color is changing. And also we have a search bar where you can search for products or books or anything you need. So like this. And also we have a search button which is perfect and with a hover effect. So this is our navbar. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to CodeEasy AI for more awesome coding tutorials. See you in the next one.